These are tinfoil frames, and we are going to show you how to replace the lenses. First thing you're going to do is take the screwdriver and unscrew or loosen the screw that's located right behind the lens, or the frontal part of the frame. Once you've done so, you're going to turn the frame around and pull out on the frame and push on the lens. The lens should pop out fairly easily. Now, to reinstall it, you're going to take the outside part of the frame to the corresponding part of the lens and slide in the lens onto the grooves. Once you've done so, just push in the other parts that are exposed, and the lens should fit snugly in the frame. Now, just to secure it, we're going to tighten up the screw that we loosened before. And that should be it.